everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Ikano Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in ikanobank.se and press enter on your keyboard. Ikano Bank is a Swedish-based online bank that provides various financial products and services such as savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and insurance to individuals and businesses. To log into your online account, go to the top right-hand corner from the main homepage and click on the Log On button. Select the service you'd like to log into from the options. To log into your bank account and manage your savings, personal loans, mortgages, and credit cards, pick the first option. Open up the Bank ID Security application and then load this QR code, or you can also launch the Bank ID Security app open and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to access your Ikano Bank account online. You need to enter your personal identification number, your password on the next field, and you'll be able to access your online account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.